Okay, so it's the next day, the engine is in. The camera died as we were installing it, but we just left it at that, basically that day. Engine dropped in just fine. Sits a little bit sideways. And I'll show you guys the CD009 lands pretty much there. It's a little bit back than what it has to, you see. It's got a new carpet, but see right there, it's like almost touching the hole right there. So it lands, you know, somewhat decent. I mean, you can shift it in all gears without a problem, except that, I guess, but there you go. So yeah, it lands pretty decent, so I'm happy with that. Now we just gotta lay the wire harness on it today. I think that's what I'm gonna do today, just put the wiring harness on it and then start putting the little things like the exhaust manifold, the intake manifold, fuel, stuff like that. It already has some fuel lines ran, but I don't know if that works, and I guess we're about to find out, so let's get to it. So the fit is not that bad, but as you can see, there's still a gap here, back here. See, the gasket moves, and that's the same issue I was having. Basically, it's crashing right there against the bell housing adapter. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is just cut the flange, extend it a little bit lower, and just weld the flange a little bit lower, and I'll clear the bell housing, or B-band it, and I'll just B-band that quote-unquote down pipe. But yeah, came out pretty good. All right, so we got basically the intake manifold on and the headers on. We got to modify the headers, which is no big deal. I can weld that, put a B-band on it. Got to order a bunch of stuff, radiator, fan clutch, all that. But yeah, it's coming along pretty good. Really happy about it. So now in the meantime that all these parts start to come in, I'm gonna just work like on the grounds, clean the grounds, you know, the dumb stuff, and modify the header. So once that's done, we'll come back and we'll finish this. Hopefully we'll be cranking this very soon. I gotta order a fuel pressure regulator. I do want to modify the fuel rail, make it 6AN, just to make it a little bit neater. Everything else I want to leave stock, because I just want it to be that stock 240. So yeah, thank you for watching.